I got cool thingy-mabobbers. They're yummy though, I know, because I've had them. They're called Mike and Ike.
Mike and Ike's, yum.
I got Mike and Ike's, and then I got a tiny frosty eraser, I think. I got a Mike and Ike, a pencil, a fruit finger pop. No fair! A red balloon. 3 candy canes and a gummy. Lucy gets a red finger 3 things. I got a green finger pop.
Jill, you got a giant book of puzzles. So what do you guys?
Play-Doh, a cookie, and
Charlotte, you're not playing to.
And then Western birds.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Ooh, and a Bowling Books bookmark.
Nice. So what do you two say to the tuners?
Thank you.
Hey kid, that's my decoration there. That's my decoration.
Thank you.
Now for the candy cane.